It's actually like you're caught on steroids because of how big it is. So guys, before today's video starts, make sure to hop onto zpgapparel.com to suss out the new hoodies. There is only 20 available for now, so make sure to get in quick before they're all gone. We also have heaps of lanyards in stock, so also check those out as well. Let's get started with today's video. Oofed, looking clean today. Exclusive VIP. Even the water bead still going pretty good. Even though I haven't touched up the reload in about a month, still got that nice bead. Probably be better if I touch it up, but not bad at all, eh? I don't even know what we're doing today. Are we working on this crown? Are we working on this Honda Civic EK? Who knows, but I think, yeah, we might try and start to work on the EK. So what we're going to be doing is maybe trying to, you know, start getting ready for the engine swap or taking out this D16, because yeah, I think I gave up. I think we're just gonna engine swap this and hopefully, fingers crossed, it starts running. So yeah, we're gonna try and flip this car around and start the process. I probably won't pull out the engine in this video, but we'll remove some stuff like the radiator, you know, all the fluids and stuff. But first things first, let's take this crown, because we're gonna quickly go to the post office and drop off a parcel. You know what they say, new hoodie means new day. Let's go. Oof, what a divine start. Oi, what? So I left the AC on. What? Walk it like I talk it. Hey. Walk it like I talk it. Hey. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Hey. Haven't dosed this beast in a while. Ready? Woohoo! Right, best daily sleeper. Oof, hold it slow and it doses longer.
Mask off,
hey,
fucking
mask off, hey.
Boosting my adrenaline,
Yeah, he's spitting facts.
I drip on your bitch like water.
Yeah.
I splash on your bitch with the water.
Hey.
I feel like I'm 21 Savage.
Hey.
I pull up in water.
Hey. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, this car's weird. Sometimes it spins tires, sometimes it doesn't.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
Not the fact that you kissed him yesterday, it's the feeling of betrayal. No, you love it, but it's over, mate. Ay, burn away. You love it, but it's over, mate. Doesn't matter to the phone away. Also guys, hop onto zpgapparel.com and cop your ZPG hoodies right now. Let's go, boys. One more toast for the boys. Yo, does anyone put the music down so then you can see better when you're trying to look for a car park? Like, bro, what the hell is this guy in the beamer doing? This guy's parked on the side. Far out, no parking. Bro, it's a work day, school day. And then, oof, VIP parking right here. Oofed. See, sometimes you just gotta try your luck. Better not break this bumper. Yeah, the boys at the local post office sending this straight to New South Wales, Sydney. Let's go. Boys, any closer and we would have ate the lip. We would have ate shit, but lucky it didn't happen. Looking clean though. Back in the car. So I don't even know we're gonna be working on any cars today or the EK. Bro, our boy not in that just hit us up and he said, yeah, do you want to come to, you know, Springy? I thought, let's go, why not? Let's go get milk tea. And he said there's some sale going on, so we'll go suss it out anyways. Yes. Oi, you love to see a naughty. Huh?
Kaizukuni.
Yeah. Oi, oi, cuz. Oh, I love the quail egg, huh? Dragon hot pot, bro. Guys, if you know, you know. But give us a taste test, bro. Bro, if you guys are ever in Glenn, you're gonna come dragon hopper, yeah? And then finish off with healthy cup.
Shout out to Wiley.
But you know it's tasty when you taste it and it's tasty, yeah? That was a good meal, yeah? Good meal? Yeah, now we fucking...
Bro,
what the fuck? Yeah. Now you're gonna finish off with Happy Cup. If you guys in Glen, bro, next to the station, bro, you gotta go to the Happy Cup at the inn. If you're in Glen. Oh, but apparently it's been here for a while. Yeah? Like, I don't know, 10-15 years. I've only found this place out like 2 years ago. Oh yeah guys, new hoodies, huh? Suss it out, oof. So yeah, next to the station. Wait, if you know, you know, look how good this is. So we just got back from Happy Cup. Look at this, bro. Honey melon. You gotta try this if you guys ever go. I opted with some grape jelly. Oh, what'd you get?
I got Thai milk.
Oh, what'd you call? What'd you call?
I got the Pokemon tin, bro.
Pokemon
I'm
tin?
trying to pull the Charizard, Holo Charizard.
Yeah?
You know the vibe?
Yes, sir.
$200 resell.
300 bucks. Bro, how much that box cost you?
50.
Ooh, that's a good investment, huh? Stonks.
It's got 6 packs in here. 6 packs?
6.
Oh, should we open it in the car?
Yeah. Alright, so new day today. Yep, we didn't even work on the Civic EK. Didn't even get the chance to flip it. It's still in the same position, but you know, oh well. Another day for that. Oof. Got the crown right here. Got Hack working on the Evo. Trying to... Bro, you guys don't understand. I've been trying to make this... I've been trying to tell you guys what we're doing for the past like 20 minutes, but we keep laughing, alright? Or maybe we have to raw draw it, yeah? So, alright, Hack's trying to install these carbon spats right here, which, yeah, replaces his old one he used to have. So, he's going to take that off and he's going to put these on, and I think it should look more aggressive because it kind of hangs down like that. Hank's just finished installing the spats. Oof, check it out. 100 times way better. So the original one he had was more like a subtle spat. This one, in my opinion, gives it that tiny bit more aggression as it kind of flares out. If you guys can see right there, come to the side. Ooh, looks good, huh?
Very good.
Very good, mate.
Fuck, one must be wearing this.
Hey, you like fiberglass work?
Nah, I hate it.
Hate it. It make you itchy, yeah? But yeah, what do you guys reckon? Ooh, look at that. It matches the diffuser, because I think you can buy these in like a one piece, yeah? Yeah. So yeah, it was kind of good that, you know, we have the option now to take it on and off. Otherwise, if we bought it as a one piece diffuser, yeah, we kind of have no option. So we just picked up Hank after installing his spat, and now we're gonna head to Moorabbin DFO, get some GYG, get a fat burrito, and we're gonna head inside DFO and see if they got some Japanese vending machine, because last time we went they had this, like, you know, Japanese vending machine just like the ones overseas where like you get your hot and your cold drink. So hopefully it's there. We'll show you guys a bit, but first things first, yeah, let's go get some food.
Let's go. Oi.
Alright, guys.
Hey, well, why are you wearing sunny when it's not?
Huh?
It's not sunny.
Don't worry about it, don't worry about it.
What happened?
Hey, not gonna lie, yeah, something, you know, my eyes are a bit swollen, you know?
You been eating ass?
Nah, chill.
You dirty cunt.
Yeah, I don't know if it's
What does this smell like?
Fuck off. Yeah, it's Hack song.
Hey,
Hey,
hey, plug up.
Hey,
you need subs, bro.
yeah,
I
fam.
don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.
Hey,
Up in his face too.
Alright, just got to DFO Moorabbin. We're gonna go see if the vending machine is here. The entrance is that one right there, so let's go ahead, have a suss. And here's the Japan in a can. Look at it, they got everything there. And like I said, like Japan, they got hot and cold as well. That's pretty sick. Let's go. Nice and warm. Let's try this. I don't know what it is. Looks alright. And that's how you do it, guys. Straight from DFO Moorabbin, Japan in a can. So yeah, that's how you do it. From Moorabbin DFO, Japan in a can. We got our Warm Boss coffee. And we also got this one, which I don't know what it is, but we'll have a try. Alright, let's try this one. This is called, I think it's called Biku. I don't know, it looks alright, so we'll try it. It's cold, it's a cold one.
Listen.
It smells like juice.
It smells nice. Yeah.
Oh, it's basically Yakult.
It smells
You
like
try
it.
some?
No, I'm good.
It's actually like Yakult on steroids because of how big it is. I recommend this one if you ever come to this machine. Basically Yakult but a bigger version. I already tried this one, but I'll open it up. This is nice and warm.
Wait, so we're still getting Vietnamese or coffee?
Yeah.
But you're gonna get high on caffeine, bro.
Bro, can't go wrong, bro. Japan in a can, bro. Bringing Japan down to Melbourne, bro. I still can't get over this one though. Like, what the hell? Yeah.
Two Cali burritos, mild chicken for both.
We got the goods, boys. Let's go. Hey. Sages, this vlog turned into a mukbang, yeah?
Mukbang.
Bro, honestly, I don't know what we're vlogging today, but yeah, it is what it is.
How does it feel like mine?
Oh, yo. Beer man, if he came, you could have had some. Ready? Now chicken. Cali burrito, mild chicken.
Mukbang.
Fucking divine. Alright, we just finished the fat ass burrito. Now we're gonna go get some coffee from Springy Manies. We hit the Manies. Should we toast it backwards? We've never done before backwards toast.
Oh, that's up the wall.
Here's the crown. I wish the lighting was better, but yeah, it is what it is. It is a bit dirty, but yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of these car washes when the car is extremely dirty, because yeah, you kind of got to scrub the car to make it clean again, but we don't want to use a brush, you know. But yeah, here it is. Quick walk around. There's the crown. There's Mr. Fixing V8. And here is the rear. Not bad, huh? Alright, let's go, boys. Now we use a brush. Let's go. Alright, we just finished washing the car and it's looking 100 times way better. Probably not the cleanest, but it is what it is. Better than how we had it before. So let's check it out. Ooh, under this lighting. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Hella clean. What do you guys reckon? Clean or nah? Hopefully more content on the crown coming soon. I did buy side skirts, but I'm still waiting for that to come. And we got to color match that. And then yeah, after that should be alright. I know I've been talking about manual swapping or turbo build. Hopefully that can come by the end of the year, but for now I'm actually running out of ideas on this. So let me know what else should we do on the crown. I don't know, but for now looking pretty good, eh? Maybe we need an aim game rear bar as well. So guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a fat like. PHAT. Don't forget to check out the ZPG apparel. Once again, there's only 20 in stock for now, so get in quick before they sell out. Anyways guys, that's gonna do it. We'll catch you guys next one. Later.